Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying eligibility and gathering essentials: resume, headshot, and any sample reel. Once done, open the application portal and register with accurate contact details so producers can reach you. Make sure to read role-specific requirements and note the deadline. Missing that loses your spot. Upload files in required formats and keep a confirmation number. Why start here? Because clean, complete submissions reduce back and forth and let casting focus on your performance rather. You now prepare your audition material strategically. Choose sides or song that showcase range and fit the brief. Once selected, rehearse until you can vary choices subtly: emotional beats, pacing, and line emphasis. Record in a quiet, neutral space and use a stable camera with an external microphone if available. Clarity sells. Edit to trim dead air and keep within time limits. Make sure files are labeled consistently so casting can immediately identify role and take. You finish by uploading everything, completing all fields, and submitting before the deadline. Don't wait until the last minute. Once submitted, preview your uploaded files to confirm they play correctly and that metadata matches your entry. If an upload fails or playback is corrupted, take a screenshot, note the error message, and contact support immediately with your confirmation number. They can often restore or reopen a window. One tip: clear cache or try a different browser if upload stalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.